Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for being here. Your response toward my channel is phenomenal. Thanks for supporting and do subscribe our channel for more video. In our today's video, I am going to show you some amazing project of nuts and bolt welding project and craft ideas that will help you to make a beautiful decoration pieces and the other structures by using nut and bolts. So let's get started. Welding is a versatile and essential skill for life for any do-it-by-yourself enthusiast. From basic repair to creating a complex and the intricate pieces, welding can be applied in various ways to enhance the durability and aesthetic of any metal piece and the metal workpiece. One of the most common welding projects for beginners is a nut and bolt welding project. This article will explore and this video will explore some nuts and bolt welding projects and craft that you can make easily in your garage. A simple nut bolt sculpture is a great way to get started with welding. All you need are some nuts and bolts, a welder, and a little creativity to make sculptures. You will need to arrange the nuts and bolts in a interesting pattern or shapes and then weld them together. The key to good sculpture is the patience and take your time. If you are a fan of chess, why not create your own nuts and bolt chess set? This project required some planning and the design work, but the end result is a unique and functional piece of art. To make chess set, you will need to create 32 pieces using nuts and bolts of different sizes. Each piece can be designed to represent a different character on a chessboard. A nut and bolt candle holder is a simple yet elegant piece that can add some personality to any room. To make a candle holder, you will need to weld a few nuts and bolts together to create a base. Then you will add a small metal plate or a bowl to hold the candle. You can also add some decorative elements such as twisted wire or other metal pieces. Coasters are a functional and easy way to add some flair to your home decor. To make nuts and bolt coaster, you will need a weld a few nuts and bolts together to create a base. Then you can add some cork and rubber to the bottom to prevent scratches on your furniture, and you can also paint the nut and bolt to match your home decor. Nut and bolt picture frame is a great way to showcase your favorite photo. To make a picture frame, you will need a weld few nuts and bolts together to create a frame, and you can add some glass and backing to hold the photo in a place. You can also add some decorative elements such as twisted wire or other metal pieces. A nut and bolt garden sculpture is a great and unique and creative way to enhance your outdoor space. To make a garden sculpture, you will need a design, a shape, or a pattern using nuts and bolts of different sizes. Then you can weld the nuts and bolts together to create a sturdy structure. You can also paint the structure to match your garden decor. A wind chime are a great way to add some music and a movement to your home decor outdoor space. You can make a nut bolt wind chime, and you will need a weld a few nuts and bolt together to create the base. Then you can add some metal tube and the rods of different length to create the chin, and you can add some decorative elements such as twisted wire or other metal pieces. If you are into a jewelry making. Nut and bolt jewelry can be a unique and the edge addition to your calculation. To make nut and bolt jewelry, you will need to select nut or bolt of different sizes and shapes. Then you can drill hole in the nuts and bolt and string them together. Wire cord. You can also add some beads or other decorative element to decorate a cap of few of a new kind. There are several benefits of nuts and bolt welding project include cost effective. Welding nuts and a bolt project together can be more cost effective than purchasing a pre-made component and intimate the need of purchase additional hardware. Welding nuts and bolts together allow for a great customization as you can create unique shapes and size that may not be available off the shelf. Welding nuts and bolts together create a strong, durable bond that can withstand heavy loads and stress. Welding nuts and bolts together can be used in a variety of applications from automotive and the construction to home do-it-yourself project. Welding nuts and bolts together can save time by eliminating the need of drilling, dapping, or bolting components together. Welding nuts and bolts together can add a sleek industrial look to the project, making them visually appealing. Overall, welding nuts and bolts together can offer numerous benefits, making it a popular choice for many different type of projects. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and to subscribe our YouTube channel for more video. Thank you so much.